Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk you about two important systems in our body, the endocrine system and integumentary system. While these systems may seem unrelated at a first glance, they play crucial roles in maintaining our overall health and well-being. Let's start with the endocrine system. This system consists of various glands throughout our body that produces hormones. Hormones are chemical messengers that regulate many bodily functions such as growth, metabolism, reproduction, and mood. The major glands of endocrine system include the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, and ovaries and testes. The endocrine system works through a feedback mechanism. When a certain hormone level drops below or rises above a certain threshold, the glands release more or less of that hormone to restore balance. For example, the thyroid gland produces thyroxine, a hormone that regulates metabolism. If thyroxine levels are low, the pituitary gland releases thyroid stimulating hormone, that is TSH, which signals the thyroid gland to produce more thyroxine. Now let's move on to the integumentary system. This system is composed of our skin, hair, nails and various glands. The skin is the largest organ of our body and serves as a protective barrier against external threats such as bacteria, viruses and physical damage. It also helps to regulate body temperature and plays a role in vitamin D synthesis. The integumentary system also includes sweat glands, which help regulate body temperature by producing sweat when we are overheated. Sebaceous gland produce sebum, an oily substance that keeps our skin moisturized and prevents it from drying out. Additionally, hair and nails are the part of this system and provide furthermore protection of our body. The endocrine and integumentary systems are interconnected in several ways. For instance, hormone produced by endocrine glands can affect the health and appearance of our skin, hair and nails. Imbalances in hormone levels can lead to skin conditions such as acne, excessive hair growth, or hair loss. Furthermore, the integumentary system plays a role in vitamin D synthesis, which is essential for calcium absorption and bone health. The endocrine system, especially the parathyroid gland, regulate calcium levels in our body. If there is a hormonal imbalance, it can affect the absorption and utilization of calcium, leading to bone related disorders. In conclusion, the endocrine system and integumentary systems are both crucial for our overall health and well being. The endocrine system regulates various bodily functions through the production and release of hormones, while the integumentary system protects us from external threats and help to regulate body temperature. Thank you.